Yes, it's bouncing.
Yes.
Yes, it's bouncing.
Yep. In other news, Meta, if it reclaims this 615 area, I think we're smooth sailing to 640 area, and this is my area of concern. This larger red box on Meta. But the market just opened right now. But yeah, I'm happy to see it at 600. I hope it holds this area. I would like to see a little bit more consolidation here to like build a little bit of a base before a move higher. But seeing the 600s back in the 600s, in my opinion, is good. I know James, you bought this dip.
Yeah, I bought Meta,
which is awesome.
Yeah.
But immediate bounce right back up now.
Yeah, let me pull up this
right back down. Yeah, we're due some cooling off. This is the same exact move that we saw a couple weeks ago, James.
Yep. There comes the NASDAQ.
Where is the overnight VWAP for this?
No, it's much lower, like 200 points lower. This is a day where you can't really look at you look for moves to the VWAP, not by like 10,000 points above it.
Andre's button call for shorts today.
I was just reading that.
I said on my pre-market stream, I wouldn't be surprised to see a pullback before a move higher. And I agree with you, Andre. We've been on that hard time frame level on NQ at that 25K. It respected it the whole of March. Yeah.
Yeah. Speaking of the buttons, quickly, I get a lot of like my friends like roast me a lot for the way that I wear my shirts, but if I show you what it looks like fully buttoned, it doesn't look great. Like imagine I sat here like this. That would be insane, right? Like, am I wrong? Like, does this not look crazy?
Put some glasses on.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I can't. So that's why I do that. But
today should be the day I get my Lucid accounts.
After how long?
It's been 4 weeks.
Jeez, that's long, dude.
Yeah, it's been tough. Whoa. Tesla said it will go ahead and reverse the whole move, though. Jeepers. $9 down to start the day.
Oh, wow.
Honestly, in long, right when this Tesla candle closes, I bet it reverses right back up to 360. As long as NVIDIA doesn't go and do this, it's fine.
Yeah, NASDAQ pulling back. As I did say on my pre-market, I wouldn't be surprised. I mean, the daily VWAPs, it's so far from that, dude. Yeah, Meta, I was in at like 580, Andre, based on your recommendations.
Based on my financial advice, right?
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah, it's a good move.
Yeah,
I don't know. I mean, not financial advice. Obviously, that was a joke, but I really think that Meta could see 1,000, but we'll have to see how that goes.
Sure. I mean,
I'm not saying it's not in the next 6 months, obviously.
So I saw this funny thing on Twitter that actually this guy that posts like his stock picks and stuff like that. Some guy commented, "I would never buy here," so he commented back, "That's fine, Jonathan. Buy at the highs."
Yeah.
I wish I bought Carvana when it was 3.
Like, when are you going to actually wait for it to be at the highs again, and then you look like a knob?
Yeah. The Carvana is actually the most insane chart ever.
Yeah.
Like
1,000% in 6 months.
From $11 to $375 to almost delisted. Literally from 376 down to 275 back to 490. Like, that's the most insane chart I've ever seen in my life.
Here's a decent reversal on Tesla already. $3 mounts. Bouncing off London 50 on Qs as well. The IB shorts we got on stream yesterday with Dan were phenomenal.
Yeah.
Yeah, those were good. Yeah, those were solid. I was listening for a little bit.
He's waiting for his for the signal. Signal
Steve
to get
goes,
short there. Okay.
I need a pocket protector when I'm buttoned up. See?
Doom.
I told you. It looks ridiculous when I have it buttoned up. And then API waitlist. So you're on the API waitlist right now. Pretty much the idea is we want to have an understanding of how people are gonna. So for anyone who doesn't know, let me just pull it up quick. For anyone who doesn't know, and it's being blocked by. Okay, right over here on the Edgeful app, right here, you have an API waitlist. If you guys are interested in pulling the data from Edgeful so you can put it into your own dashboard or into an AI agent or into a trading bot or whatever you want to do, if you click on this, tell us what you want to do with the data so we can build the API accordingly. So there is obviously it's going to be like being able to scrape all the data for higher setups, for all the customizations, to be able to have it in your own dashboard. Like if you want to be able to integrate the data into a trading bot that you have, or like your own, whatever it is, really, like it really is whatever it is. Like if you want to have automation, a trading bot, a dashboard, your own analytics, go to the API waitlist button on the left sidebar of Edgeful. It's the last one on the bottom left. And it's obviously free to do it. But I highly recommend doing that. Also, I can send you guys the link here. I'm going to send the link here too. I just put the API waitlist in the comments. So just if you want to do it and you don't want to go to the app, just go there. I just put the link in the comments there. But yeah, we're pretty much building the ability for you to be able to plug in an AI agent, or like not necessarily an AI agent, but like pretty much anything you want to do with the Edgeful data, you'll be able to do it on your own using the API. So we want to understand what you want to do, so then we can build the API according to like what's most popular.
Sick. Yeah, the DAL Y moved it higher on the open, but yes, and NQ pulling back.
This would be a risky one on Tesla, but that opening inversion and signaling longs stop would be at 353.
Jeez, how's that? Yeah, how's that Tesla move, dude?
It's popping back up now.
The video also starting to rotate a little bit down as well. Of the highs.
Somehow we find the shorts. That's what I like to see.
It's the t-shirt, Andre.
No, dude, I have the buttons today, so where the shorts are coming.
Yeah, here comes NVDA now. NVDA flashing a little bit.
You haven't traded any equities recently, right?
I haven't. No, I've only been purchasing long term. I haven't traded equities in a good month or so, Andre. Because I used to trade. I still do. I do like to look at trading NVIDIA or Tesla or even Apple, but I've been dialed in on the indexes, so I haven't been looking to get too distracted, you know.
Taking some advice from your financial advisor on Meta on the long term.
Exactly.
Unofficial.
So why
Unofficial.
would I try and why would I do that when I can just listen to my financial advisor on stream and just make money?
I used to have the license. Not anymore though.
Oh, it's series 7.
Yeah, the whole thing, like three.
Remember, you know that movie? A good trading movie to watch is called Boiler Room. Remember that they get all the guys in there and they're like, "Who has got their series 7? Perfect. Please leave. We don't hire financial planners who make new ones." And it ended up to be like a chop shop. Yeah. No wonder they don't take all financial planners that are already there, because they'll be like, "Geez, this is so bad."
You know what movie I actually thought was overrated? Have you guys watched Margin Call?
Yeah.
I haven't. Is it good? I think.
It's about Lehman Brothers.
Okay. Yeah.
Or was it Lehman Brothers or one of the other ones?
Sorry, go again.
I think it was a fictitious one that was referring to them.
Yeah, no. Yeah, it was like there was no name, there was no company name throughout the whole thing, but it was supposed to be based on either Lehman Brothers or Bear Stearns or one of them, and it was like the day that they knew that everything was about to collapse.
Sure.
I think it's a little bit overrated. Personally,
they probably couldn't name any names for legal reasons.
Yeah. Well, it's not like Bear Stearns will come after them. I don't think their legal team is active. But
sorry, we're back in business now. We won a lawsuit.
Yeah.